Hi everyone, I am so sorry to be back like this. I do not have an intro for this one, unfortunately. So yeah, a little rude, but this is how we're starting out. As you can see, my hair is shrunken pretty bad. I mean, those are the um, price we pay for having beautiful natural hair. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm showing you guys how I apply my natural hair extensions. If you'd like to know where I got them, the link is in the down bar. Per usual, you can order it too, girl. It's down there. I'm gonna give you more details as we go along the video, but right now I just want to explain a little bit my technique so you can follow through if you don't want to hear me talk the whole time. So basically I part my hair in sections, not too many because you don't want to have too many tracks in your head or you'll look like Chewbacca with so much hair in it. My hair is relatively short but kind of thick, so I section, like, I would say a fourth of my hair at the bottom because that's the shortest portion of my hair, and I'm going to stretch out the shortest track I also have. As you can see here, it already tucks into my neck easy. This one is a 14-inch track. I stretch my hair over the track. You'll see I'll section it and I'll stretch it over the track so it can lay flat for the next one to sit on top of it. If you don't do that and you let your hair kind of completely shrunk down and you put on the tracks, what happens is it gets really thick really fast. Thick is good. If you like a very full look, that's fine. I like a very full look too, but it can get crazy real quick. So I like a certain amount of hair in my head and a certain fullness, so this is how I achieve mine. At the back, I would always suggest using the bigger pieces. So if you have any 3-piece clips, 4-piece clips, go ahead and apply those at the back. If you have some extra 2 pieces as well, if you want to put them side by side, that works too. But the longer pieces at the back in the middle, and then you can focus your 1 and 2 pieces on the side to kind of cover those little sections where your hair sticks out, so we don't see the transition between the lengths, right? So as you can see here, every time I select a piece, I kind of go through all of the hair so I can find the best fit. I like to layer the different lengths. I go between 14 inches to 16 inches. The longest length I have, I think, is a 20-inch, but I cut it, so it's probably a 16 as well. Sorry about that. So basically what you want to do is layer those so that you don't find yourself with shorter layers at the top and longer layers at the bottom and it looks like not properly layered, right? Also, I like the shorter 14 inches closer to the front of my hair because the shorter the hair, the tighter the coils, and I feel like it matches my hair texture at the front better, so it looks more realistic. It blends into my hair as it is not defined right now. I'm about a week into my wash. As you can see, I'm literally scratching my flakes, but yeah, I'm about a week into my wash, so my hair is not defined at all. It's all poofy. It absorbed all of its moisture. It's very soft, don't get me wrong, girl. I've been taking care of this hair. That's why it's this short. I went natural in about 2018, for those who know, and ever since it's been such a roller coaster for me. Having natural hair is not easy, and I've had permed hair my whole life. I'd never seen my natural hair prior to 2018. So yes, I've chopped off most of the hair about a few months ago to kind of start over, and I only kept the healthy hair. I also lost all of my edges due to wearing wigs all the time. I never glue my wigs down ever, but still, you know, wearing lace and having it rub against your hairline over time will damage your hair. So I'm trying to diminish the use of wigs. So as you can see here, clips have saved me, and it's working well for the summer because it's way too hot for freaking wigs. As you can see here, I'm even changing the pieces to kind of match both sides better. So you go from one end to the other, you see what looks better, and you adjust. It's all a process that you have to customize to your own liking, to your own head. Meaning, when you get a pack of extensions, the way they send them to you with like 3 clips, 4 clips, 1 clip, don't mean that you have to use them that way. Don't mean you have to use the whole thing. Customize them, cut them if you have. You'll see me at the end. I'll even cut a track to fit the way that I want it to fit. So it's a customization process. You go and you take your time. It can look scary at first when your hair is shorter and you're like, how am I gonna get my hair to look like this, and how am I gonna get my hair to blend? Girl, take your time. Go ahead and do it. Practice makes perfect. I'm not saying that this is a perfect process on my end, but I'm saying here I'm at a point where I'm satisfied with the way it looks. I'm also stretching the extensions, as you can see, because like I said, I have 14 inches, 16 inches, and a longer other one. The longer lengths have a much more relaxed curl to them, as you can see. That's probably one of the 20 inch. It's kind of more of a wave curl, and the shorter ones have like a much tighter curl, which I love mixing those because, you know, when you have natural, your hair is most likely to have multiple curl patterns. So that really works with my hair because the middle of my hair has a bigger curl pattern and the sides has a tighter curl, and girl, it's just all over. So I keep parting my hair, moving on up, and as you get closer to the top, you'll start layering the hair sideways, basically going upward to your middle part. If you want to do a middle part, I'm doing a middle part, but at the back you also want to take care of that, going up to your crown. This is what I'm doing here. I think this is about to be the last track that I'm going to do at the back here. So I'm going to do that and keep layering. Yeah, to blend. So I know I've been missing for a while, guys. I kind of wanted to address that quickly. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time talking about it. But basically, yeah, life, you know. I've continuously taken breaks from YouTube throughout my whole journey on here. And it's because I, like many other people in the world, deal with a lot of mental health issues. And it causes me to be very inconsistent in many things. So I am someone who lacks balance in all aspects of life. And as I started to feel better, certain things just got, I don't know, thrown to the side instead of, girl, I don't know what to tell you. Things just get messy. Last night I watched, I don't know if you guys know Wallace D'Angelo. I just watched this video and I related to it on a whole different level, and it's funny because I had already recorded the video and I hadn't edited it, and I was like, wow, dude, like you said it all. I don't want this to take a dark turn, so all I'm gonna say is I do really want to put out more content. I really do. I'm moving soon. I'm going to be in a different space, a smaller space that's going to allow me to film videos and show you how I make my cocoon my own, you know. You guys didn't get to see this house, but that's okay because it wasn't mine. But the one that I'm moving into is mine, so you'll get to see what I do with it. And hopefully you'll get a lot more content, a lot more lifestyle content, and hopefully more hair content. I'd like to show you what products I've used to kind of get my hair back to a place where it's healthy and all of that. Also, the extensions, you can get the link in the down bar because I share everything I show you in the down bar, you guys. Like, also, as you can see, yeah, the weight gain. That happens, you know. Happiness got me fat. Like, I I used to be someone who was so self-aware and part of my journey to get back to a place where I was happy. I needed to kind of cut back on that. I've been missing from Instagram for over a year now. And it's one of the best things I could do for myself because it allowed me to disconnect from my physical being so I could reconnect into my inner being. And I encourage people who feel like um, they're depressing over their appearance and what they think they should look like or what they think they should have or be or live like. I encourage you to take a break from social media because it can be very toxic without you even noticing. I never understood people who would just um, delete their accounts, or they would keep their accounts and delete all pictures and still be active on Instagram. And I'd be like, yo, those are all of your memories. Why are you doing that? But I mean, I just about done that. I didn't delete anything, but I disappeared. I just didn't want to be a part of it anymore. I didn't want to be questioning myself so much anymore. And it did so much good. I don't know if I'll ever be back on Instagram. I mean, realistically, I should, but I don't know. So, yeah. I'm here though. I still enjoy YouTube, guys. I really do. You guys have always been super positive. Of course, there's a few trolls here and there, but yeah. We're getting to the end of it. Look at that. As you can see here, since I was about a week into my wash, my curls were not defined at all. So the extensions either. It's more of a nappy fro look, which I enjoy a lot because it's super natural. It's very different from my neat looking looks typically, but this is great for the gym. I've been hitting the gym trying to take care of myself, and this works really well for me. I don't have to worry about a wig sliding or the way I sweat and stuff. It doesn't really bother me. The twist you saw me do here, that's just to show you how you can stretch your front pieces so that they can look nice and long, so you can have like a even lengths throughout your head if you wanted. You can leave it like that for an hour and you'll see it'll even out the fronts if you want. So yeah, that's what that looks like. It's a little bit nappy fro, and I love it, guys. I love the way it looks. I love the way it makes me feel, and hopefully you did too. So if you want to see more, if you want to see a more defined look like this one, let me know and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. In the meantime, stay safe, stay well, stay prayed up. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. Love you. See you on the next one. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell notification for more. Peace.